also a mindset. If you see now the players are returning, you know, you'll get a hero's welcome if you won something, and everybody else will forget about you if you've not won anything. I mean, like, why? Can we not just welcome and say congrats for giving a good fight? You know, that's really not there here.
That's the problem in India.
Like, I'm not saying the players are expecting it.
No,
but we could do it.
That's the problem in India. You know, we make demigods.
But that's also for some time, you see?
For some time, but then we forget what we have to do to improve the sport.
Right.
So,
yeah.
You know, Sindhu deserves everything. You know, she's a sweet child and very sweet girl, and you know, as a person, I really, really admire her. She's very down to earth and very, very always smiling. She deserves everything. But exactly what you said. Now, you know, what will motivate her further? You know, and what will motivate the others? How will you motivate the others? Now that we have a silver for badminton, are we going to change the system? Improve the system for good? Are we going to plan, or is there any thought put into it? I don't think so.
You don't think so?
We go back to square one after a few days, after this high. Especially for doubles. I only talk for doubles, you know, let me just talk about doubles. Because I belong to the doubles community, and I'm a doubles specialist, and yeah, now who will look after doubles?
Do you want to, you know, do something? Like, do you want to take charge?
Definitely.
And
I want to.
Yeah? Do you want to take charge and
I want to take charge of doubles in our country.
Because there is no one excepting you who can do that.
I want to. But the question is, will I be allowed to? That's the question.
Okay.
But I want to.
Do you want to speak to the authorities? Do you want to speak to BAI? Do you want to speak to the top bosses?
I think I should sit down. I want to, you know, sit down and write.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, I would like to. But I want to take charge.
You want to write to?
To the authorities.
Okay.
Association and the government.
Okay. Saying?
Like how I can help in doubles and why doubles is being neglected. Or why shouldn't it be neglected? It's an important event.
And you want to say that you want to take charge, you want to bring up
I
players
want to
and
take
train.
charge. I think I'm capable of taking charge.
Yeah, like I said, there is nobody else excepting you who can do it.
Yeah, I want to do it.
You are called a doubles specialist.
Yeah.
And very good at the net.
Yeah. But I want to do
I read
it.
somewhere, somebody had said that you would be, you could be one of the world's best players in doubles.
That's what, yeah, I've heard it too. It feels good. Feels good to know.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want to write that and then take it again. You were also coming up with a stadium, right? What's happening with that?
As I said, when you want to do something good, really, you know,
Yeah.
and we live in, as I said, that we live in male-dominated society, you know, and you want to do something good, there'll be a lot of hurdles, and it's not easy to do something good.
So you're facing hurdles in terms of establishing the academy?
I've not faced, I won't say I've faced direct hurdles really, but I've not been encouraged either.
Oh.
Yeah.
You've made up your mind on that?
Made up my mind. I'd also sent the entry, but I didn't have the energy to go for another tournament right away.
No, is this also because when you left mixed doubles after London, there was nobody who took it up?
No, yeah. And I thought that it's my favorite event.
Okay.
One of my, like, I enjoy playing mixed doubles.